Okay, so the setup just finished. The key components are installed, the Meta Mosquito, which is the MQTT broker. So with that you will be able to connect to your Home Assistant or any other I would say mainstream hub like Homey or HomeKit. I think it's called HomeKit for Apple, and Node-RED, which is the tool to develop and to use already developed drivers. Just want to show you that you have a few errors on compilation, but there is an alternate way to correct, so it should not worry you. We just do a little test. So a good way to test is to try Node-RED. So I'm going to the very same IP address, and I type 1880, which is a special address for Node-RED, and I have Node-RED working. So Node-RED is installed in the brain, and I am able to use it from my main computer. So I will be able to use all the tooling in order to connect and to use Node-RED and to connect the driver, the meta driver, etc. So right now what I will do is I will reboot the brain just to be sure. To do that, either you plug and plug, but a cleaner way to do is you do sudo reboot, sudo space reboot. Of course, because the brain reboot, I lost connection. Okay. Next video will be on my phone to see how to install the Meta.